DoorDash delivery delays mainly come from two sources: store delays and driver delays. Store delays happen when restaurants are short staffed, dealing with complicated orders, or overwhelmed by high demand, causing slower food preparation and packaging. Driver delays occur when there aren't enough delivery drivers nearby due to traffic jams or poor routing from GPS systems. The app's algorithm assigns drivers based on how close they are and their availability, but problems emerge during busy times when drivers are scarce. DoorDash uses dynamic pricing to encourage more drivers during peak periods, but coverage remains uneven. As of Q3 2025, average delivery time is 42 minutes, up 7% from last year, with 22% of orders taking over 60 minutes. To address these issues, DoorDash is implementing AI-powered predictive algorithms that have cut delays by 10 to 15% in cities like New York and Los Angeles. To mitigate delays, proactively check the app for real-time updates on your order status and estimated delivery time. If delays exceed 45 minutes, DoorDash offers options to cancel or reschedule without fees. Users can also contact support for refunds if guarantees are breached. Some solutions you can consider are tipping drivers up front to prioritize your order or opting for priority orders if available. DoorDash is also implementing AI-assisted prep systems with partner restaurants to reduce in-store delays. Monitor user satisfaction, which currently sits at 68% dissatisfied with delays. Understanding these factors and using the app's features can help manage your expectations and address issues effectively. If your order is taking too long, you can always cancel it if it goes past 45 minutes in delay.